Want to make videos that actually get seen without a studio, expensive gear, or thousands of hours of editing? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how that is possible with BigVU. Make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see how powerful BigVU actually is. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm logged into BigVU right now. So this is how the dashboard will present itself. It's pretty well put together. So as you can see, you have all of these stuff on the left, your AI avatars, ask for videos, add members, social channels, media library, content bank, branding, and pages, emails. You have a teleprompter, crash courses, and even an AI twin avatar, which is pretty sick. So you can see right here, you have a new script, subtitles, eye contact fix, replace background, AI music, and auto short. Okay guys, so BigVU is an AI powered video creation platform, and it's trusted by over 12 million users. Yes, you heard me correct. So BigVU is perfect for people doing social media like marketers, small businesses, content creation teams, and corporate teams as well. Even some online coaches. So it is literally made for anyone in the social media or online space. It will literally handle everything from your idea until the final post. And when you have published it, it will handle literally the whole process. The benefit about doing this and using BigVU is that you can do it on any device, whether it is Mac, Windows, or your phone. You can do it on any device. Okay guys, so I'm going to get started with the teleprompter. So I've used it many times before, and the great thing is that it has an AI writer. So you can click on the AI writer and it will write you a script literally from a couple of words, which is actually insane. Okay guys, so it will scroll naturally. It will work on your phone and your desktop. So like I mentioned before, it works on multiple devices. And another thing is that it will help you with forgetting your lines, because you don't have to forget your lines anymore. It's right in front of you with the teleprompter, and it will save you multiple takes. And another great thing about the teleprompter is that you can apply live video and beauty filters to look more polished without any extra prep. Okay guys, so if we come back here to the main dashboard, they have some very advanced features. They have an eye contact fix, or an AI eye contact. So what that basically is, the AI will autocorrect gaze so it appears like you are looking straight at the viewer. So even if you veer off a little bit with your eyes, the AI will fix it so you can look directly at the viewers. And then they have text to video and AI avatars. You can literally create a digital version of yourself. As you can see right here, AI twin avatar. You can create an AI avatar of yourself, and you can even post videos then when you are off camera because of that feature. So that is the advanced features, and honestly it is game changing to the social media and marketing space. Hey guys, and another thing to mention, that they have AI editing and auto captions. So as you can see, subtitles or auto captions, you can do all of that on BigVU. You can literally add music, do split screen, take away logos, add logos, and you can do a bunch of video editing with BigVU. And in most cases, you can even add B-roll to the video, which is actually insane. Okay, guys, and they also have video messaging where you literally can turn videos into landing pages for emails or DMs, and it is integrated with some of the biggest like Gmail and Outlook. So as you can see right here, video email, which is pretty freaking cool. They have a social media schedule, so you can auto schedule posts on multiple different platforms, so you don't have to sit there and physically upload the videos. You can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so much more, and it's done by auto scheduling. So that is BigVU for you guys, and I would highly recommend. Download BigVU via your referral link to start creating videos that get noticed. Tag BigVU on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. If you have any questions about today's video, please let us know in the comments down below. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.